So this test was pretty funny because he had a truck and he had the muscle, but he said he just that the truck wouldn't, the mattress wouldn't fit. It was gonna be difficult, even though it wasn't that far. It was like maybe like literally like 4 blocks. But we made it work, and plus, he told me that I had the little blue dolly, so that helped a lot. Plus, it was pretty heavy, and then we had to go to from apartment to a back house. But I know what he meant, so yeah, it was pretty difficult. But yeah, it was just funny that he actually had a truck.